Здравствуйте, дорогие друзья! Добро пожаловать на мой канал. Меня зовут Anastasia. Just kidding, you guys. I know. Ooh, you fell for it, didn't you? Just kidding. Not today. Not today. Не сегодня. Not today. But I really want to film a video where I speak and explain in Russian. I did try to film a short video where I try to speak Russian and explain what I'm actually doing with my balloon garlands. You can't even imagine how hard it is. I am so used to making my videos and explaining things in English that it is extremely hard to find proper words to explain everything. For those who wants to challenge me and see this Russian speaking video, then comment in the comment section below. I challenge you. And if I'll collect more than 30, I challenge you comments, then I'll make it happen. I will make this video. Let's go back to today's video. You guys, I am reviewing a balloon garland kit from Qutechat. It's been a hot minute since I've reviewed anything from Qutechat, so I'm pretty excited to see how this balloon garland will turn out. Today's balloon garland theme will be construction. Looking at the package that is laying right there, I haven't opened it yet. It's gonna be one pretty colorful balloon garland. Everything I will be using in this video, I will link in the description under the video. I will break every size down of every single balloon, and I will list the balloon count and balloon sizes in the description under the video as well. Without any further ado, guys, let's go and construct this construction balloon garland. I'm so clever. All right, let's go. Let's take a closer look at what this kit includes in itself. I can see that this kit does include this balloon tying tool. I am so happy that they included this because it will save your fingers from having blisters. First things first, balloon strip, balloon tying tool. Lots of balloons right here, different colors. Glue dots. I love these glue dots. These are really good. Then we have this banner. We'll see what this will include in itself a little later. I see that we have foiled balloons. Looks like a truck or something like that. Ooh, nice. We have signs. I am excited to dig in. And we have instructions like usual. And we have this card, you guys. You can always use this card, this barcode, for 10% off of your next order. You just follow the directions over here and 10% off is yours. Alright, you guys, I am ready to blow all of my balloons up, but before I'll deal with my latex balloons, I want to deal with this foiled balloon first, and there's a reason for it. All foiled balloons, self-sealing balloons, they do have this insert over here, this plastic insert. And I like to use hand pump or cool electric balloon pump. If you're going to be using a warm, hot electric balloon pump, you have a chance that you can melt this insert in your balloons and your balloons will become not self-sealing anymore. You will start losing air little by little. Trust me, I learned this hard way. I lost so many balloons and I had no idea what is happening unless your balloon has a hole and you have no idea where is it. So please use a hand pump or cool electric balloon pump for all of your self-sealing balloons. Let's go. That's a cute dump truck. So cute. I like it a lot. So now this one's done. Let's blow all of my balloons. I will be blowing my balloons individually and I will be tying my balloons with my balloon tying tool individually, not pairing them. You guys, to give your balloon more rounder shape, just blow your balloon and press it down against the floor. And here you have pretty much perfectly round balloon. To construct our balloon garland, this balloon strip has only one hole, so you just take your balloon and insert into the hole. Make sure this knot is through the hole completely and let it go. You guys, when constructing balloon garlands with a strip, you don't have to twist your strip to insert balloons on both sides. You can insert everything on one side. Sometimes once in a while you might see your balloons start popping out of the strip. That means you need to skip holes. I can't give you exact pattern when to skip holes or not. When you see your balloons are kind of like getting tighter together and kind of overcrowded and they start pushing out other balloons out, then please skip a hole. Explain or showed you how I hung this balloon garland, but I will link a video of commonly asked questions about balloon garlands, and I do show in close-up how I hang all of my balloon garlands on the walls or on backdrops or basically anywhere. Check that video out for that information. Now time to get our glue dots and fill in spaces and build our garland more with the leftover balloons. Time for our happy birthday. I'm not sure where I want to place it. We'll find a spot for it for sure. Here is what I have for you guys today. Very simple but yet very beautiful balloon garland setup. I love the quality of all the balloons. I only lost one balloon while I was blowing the balloon. It just popped on me. The rest of the balloons, no problem, none deflated, none had holes. Great quality. Thank you Qutechat for sending me this kit. I really like all the signs that this kit includes, like dump gifts here, dig in, fuel station, stop sign, food zone, and crew entrance. You can use these signs in different spots, like obviously gift table, food table, anywhere, and it would look so good. I did attach these signs over here with my glue dots and straight to my balloons, and then this part over here, a few of these, two on the other side, I used my pins with the pearl on top, and I did exactly the same thing to my happy birthday signs as well. I used my pins to pin them to my fabric. This truck over here, it was attached with my glue dots as well. I mean, I like this kit. I will link everything in the description under the video, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will share a few pictures at the end of this video. Alrighty guys, so here you have it. This is my take on this construction balloon garland from Qutechat. I've really enjoyed working with this kit. It was very fast to set up. It took me probably like an hour max, no longer than that, and it looks really good and effortless. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends. That's always helpful. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below. I'll be there. I will try to help you to the best of my ability. And you guys, if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos. And I hope you'll have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I will see you back very soon. Bye.